Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. On today's episode I am going to test, will it fit? So the Ford Bronco has the built-in fenders and I am wondering what bodies will fit on it. So don't get me wrong, the Bronco body is awesome. I absolutely love it, but every once in a while I do like to switch out bodies, and makes you feel like you have a new RC. So just curious with these built-in fenders what would fit. One of the cool features when I saw the Bronco was the fact that it did have built-in fenders, whereas the Defender and the Tactical had the fenders inside the body, basically being held on by the side fenders. And yes, I do know that the wheelbases are different. This is merely a test to see if the body will fit over the fenders. The one on the left here is actually the Defender Tactical chassis. It uses longer links in the back, whereas the Bronco has shorter links. Okay, so first up I'm going to try the Proline Hilux. I'll go ahead and remove the back body post. And let's see. Alright guys, so it's not as far off as I thought it was going to be. The back actually fits pretty well. The issue is really the front. The front fender does stick out further than the body. The front of the body does slope, has a angled front, so the fenders do flare out. So you would either need to modify the body, so that's pretty much chopping the whole front of it off, or modify the fender. Maybe an option with this body would be to remove the front fenders and just run with the rear. Alright, so the next body I'm going to go ahead and try is going to be the Jeep. So this is the Proline Jeep body, made for the TRX4. Not fitting. The back isn't terrible. The fenders are wider than the body. And the front, there's no chance. Because of the Jeep design, the front fenders are just way too big, so the fenders would need to be removed. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and try the Axial SCX-10-2 Jeep Cherokee body. Alright guys, actually this isn't too bad. The back clears the fenders, not a problem. The front, the only issue that I see is that I do have the light kit, and the buckets for the lights are hitting the fender, getting in the way, so I could probably get this to work without much modification. Also too, if I flip the front bumper mounts around, I think it actually would look pretty cool. And from the rear, same thing. Just would need to flip around the bumper mount, it looks like, and I think it would line up pretty well. Alright, so next up will be the Defender. Now the Defender does have the fenders built in to the inside, so I'm going to go ahead and remove those. I won't bore you with that, but I'll be right back. Okay, so we'll go ahead and try to put this Defender body on. And wow guys, pretty surprised. It does not fit. I assumed this would go on no problem, but nope. The fenders for the Bronco are just too wide. So I have the Defender fenders over the Broncos, and you can see where the Bronco, the fenders actually are a little bit wider. Alright, so that's a no. I'll move on to the Tactical body. So the Tactical, much like the Defender, does have the built-in fenders, so we'll go ahead and remove those and I'll be right back. Alright, so with the fenders removed, we'll go ahead and see if this fits. And nope, the Bronco fenders are a little too wide. After seeing the Defender body not fit, I had a feeling the Tactical wasn't going to fit. And the Tactical fenders are the exact same as the Defender. For these, I just do not have the rock lights in them. Alright guys, so that's about it for today's video. So hopefully this video helps you if you have a kit or a Bronco and you're trying to decide what body to put on. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day.